Keystone Custom Homes Bishop Woods community is truly unique. In this community, we offer home sites that range from as small as 1 acre up to 5+ acres. Home sites of that size offer a privacy that you do not typically see in new home communities. We have mature trees, we have rock outcroppings, we have boulder walls, lots of features that are natural that just offer a sense of distinction and privacy that you can't find elsewhere. With the more expansive home sites in Bishop Woods, we actually are able to offer 16 award-winning floor plans ranging from as little as 2,200 square feet to well over 4,000 square feet. So we have craftsman style homes, we have Bordeaux, which would be more of like a French country style. We have the farmhouse elevations, which are very popular these days. So we have a wide variety of elevations available to our customers. The model home in Bishop Woods is a Nottingham manor. As is typical in Bishop Woods, the model home sits amongst mature trees. It's just beautifully set back, and with the finished basement, it offers over 4,700 square feet of living space. Walking into the Nottingham Manor, you're gonna notice a garden kitchen with a large angled island, floor-to-ceiling cabinets. You're gonna see a 2-story family room with an impressive wall of windows, lots of natural light coming in, a gorgeous chandelier hanging, and then an open staircase to the 2nd floor. Building with Keystone Custom Homes in Bishop Woods offers our homeowners a lot of peace of mind. It's a company that's been building homes since 1992, has a tremendous amount of experience. Combining those things with the expansive home sites, the mature trees, the boulders in the community, and just the natural setting, our homeowners are finding that this is a very special place to call home.